know if y'all can see, but I'm in Mexico with the boys. In Mexico, boys, what the fuck is y'all doing?
Give him some food.
Where did y'all pick up this little Chico?
Give him some food.
He's hungry. Yo tengo hambre. Apúrate, wey. This clean ass is 550. It got carbon fiber hood on there. I know y'all see that. I wonder if it got carbon fiber on there, do it get off though? Then you got a C6. Color on there nice though. For real. And then you go from the C6 to the Supra. Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Yes, sir. That's a Supra. Then you got this 5th gen right here. Woo. You got the race stars on the front and the back. It's gotta get off. Spotted this out the corner of my eye. It's a Mustang. Look like it already done hit a crab. But I heard this mud come in, it was chopping, and it's loud. And it's on some drag radials. But is it fast though? He got a notorious Porsche right here. He be calling everybody out. I wanna say he an old head. Supposedly it's fast. I done seen it though. It get off, for real, for real. This be smooth right here. Old school NSX. It's fish bowling though, but that be smooth. Clean ass 5th gen, red with the LSA supercharged. You think you get off, bro?
That motherfucker bright, bro.
Do y'all think you get off? I'ma blind y'all. Do y'all think you get off? Y'all gonna answer me or not?
Hey, he look high.
Do it get off?
He don't get off, bro. I can't see nothing.
He said he don't get off. But how the fuck y'all be seeing out this shit though? That motherfucker like it. What y'all call it? Bulldog and film?
We laid back. We laid back. We laid back.
Laid back. Laid back. But how y'all be driving out that bitch though?
You
For
just be
real?
leaning back, bro.
You tilt
Just
your
driving.
shit so when you get your sucked, all it is all the way down. On God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shit. Fuck it in. Them boys flying in Mexico, cuh. And they gone. Michael Jordan. GTI.
What?
It's like 3 of them here.
It's moving though.
Drop top Cobra. Y'all remember this vid? I'm put the video on here just so y'all know. He can't drive. He don't know how to drive that car. Tell him you can't drive. He got the fat boys on there. Man, there's so much shit happening right now. You got cars leaving. You got cars coming in. You got bikes leaving. Look at this S2K right here. Know that mug get off. And then a Supra. Yes, sir. You got a Skyline right here. Right hand drive. Yes, sir. And my boy back out here with the murdered out truck, Lord. You feel me? Here go Flacco ass right here. He got a V6 in them. I want to say he said it's from an Acura. This one get off too, for real, for real. Right here, this a bad man, my jammer. I ain't messing with the wheels though. I ain't digging the wheels. But he brought out the old school tonight. I might bring mine out tomorrow, for real, for real. Look at it. Yes, sir. They do it big down there in Mexico. You got a 240 with the hood exit exhaust. And the meaties on the front. And the meaties on the back. With the wing back here. You know it gets off. Then you got an S2K with the meaties. Carbon fiber roof. And it's murdered out. That mud wet for real, for real.
For the gasket. That's why. Yeah, that's why they don't leak.
Hey, bro, could y'all do me a favor and shut the fuck up? God damn.
Nobody wants to. Nah, bro, don't do it like that.
No, bro. Don't do us like that. You lucky I can't zoom in, bitch.
Yeah, you can argue.
Look at the mullet on that son of a gun, boy. $40. On 3.
And we say bye-bye.
Tapping his ass again. He don't want no smoke. He don't want no smoke, dog. Alright, y'all, I just got home from a long night in Mexico. This is gonna be the end of the video. I gotta go upstairs, take Uzi out. But you know, as always, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell below. And that's it. Appreciate it.
No, for real. And the next day you gone. This real shit. This my life I gotta deal with. Grinding daily for my kids, I gotta get a shit. Keep it pimpin', never